Yeah, right there in front of you, like 10 feet. Right there. One creek bed. We choked it.
I knew there was a fish. Do you by chance have bug spray just Austin?
No.
No, I left.
Are you done? I'll help you when you're done flipping around.
That was fast.
What happened to my pole?
It's over here. Get one?
Go for it. No, that one's set up. That one's mine because I reel right-handed.
I switched that for her.
I just wanted to make sure it was good.
Because I roll, I go right-handed. Don't kill it. You'll have to keep it.
Right in his mouth.
And
Here. Grill him.
Oh, there's something on it?
Yes.
Oh.
Honey. In my bucket, are you? They're barbed. All yours are barbed.
Did you go across?
Stop.
Some bear poop on my way.
Dustin, I wiped it on and she even realized it until I did it the second time. Yep.
I got me a big fish. It's called a dewey. You're right.
Yours under. Yours is under.
Oh, shit.
Don't reel it so fast that you pull its guts out. Oh my god,
It's a little fish.
That's how big they were at the river. That's how big they were at the river.
That's bigger.
Oh my
That's even bigger than what they were at the other side.
So cute. Dang. We should have come here this whole week. Fishing over here is always a good time. That's a good size one, babe.
Oh, it's a brook. No, dang, it's a rainbow. It's a natural rainbow. Linda, put them back in my pocket.
No. I think you 5 points.
Babe,
What? Yank it.
I don't want to yank.
Here you go.
You can
Reel it
reel
if
it
you
in.
want.
No, you. You haven't reeled any in.
Oh yeah, this is my third fish.
Well, I just want to make sure you're getting time to fish since you're helping me and your mom. I think
This way.
I think my
This way.
worm got eaten.
Come on, this way. He's not giving up. There we go, buddy.
Oh, no. Oh, that like barely got in his face.
Barely hooked him.
Huh?
Barely hooked him.
Yeah. See? I don't even think I can.
You were. You're dead in the middle of it. Like this.
There's his house.
Be it like that.
Hold on, I am trying to get this worm off.
Hold on.
Really? I didn't think that was the option here.
I'm just getting it now. This one's missing a pretty good chunk out of his gill plate. Yeah, like his gills were like exposed shut.
Really, dude?
That was good. Ralph, can I have a wormy, please?
I don't know if I got it or not.
I'll get on this. No, right in the top lip. Good job, Mom. It's a perfect hook set right there.
You have a bobber?
Oh,
Sorry, I went to go get worm.
Take your bobber over there and see if you can smack him. Flake some water over the top of him. He's thinking about it? Alright, calm down, calm down.
Jessica, stop stealing all the fish.
Hang on, I gotta see this. Gotta get pictures. Okay.
He's a big one.
He just felt my hand. Ooh!
It's a little baby guy.
No, that other one was smaller.
Your first one's tiny. Hey guys, you wanna go fishing? You guys wanna go fishing? Get a worm or two from you?
Where'd Ralph go?
He walked up the river to the next bank.
Sick and tired of catching the same fish.
Yeah.
You need pliers?
No. Just need the hook to stop going into his upper mouth.
He walked my tongue. We had one of that had a messed up mouth, as how their half of his jaw was missing. See, that's what you're supposed to do. Stop right when they jump.
Well, are you gonna get the pliers?
They're right here. You know where they're at. Another good one, honey.
Is that a brook?
Looks like it.
How's everything going?
Easy, dude. You're gonna rip your throat. It is a brook. She got a brook.
I got a brookie.
Isn't that a brook?
Brookie, brook. Yeah. Yellow spots. Make him stop
There's
spinning.
some guy
fine.
camped at the trailhead thinking he owns it, but other than
Jeez.
He's not happy.
Didn't see it, I didn't see it.
Yellow spots. Brook.
That's a brook.
what was that?
Alright, so you're gonna have to hang from the hook because it's down there in your tongue. Back of your
No, you
throat.
know where the trailhead is and we
Okay,
park.
lower Paul. Make sure the false ones don't come up and snag a free bait.
It's a rainbow.
Nice pink in them.
Oh, he's a heavy one.
Did you swallow that one too, fishy? Pull your worm up.
Huh?
Move your tongue.
It's Thursday.
Are you done? No, where'd your worm go? Did you swallow the worm?
He says if I'm gonna get jabbed in the mouth, I might as well get might as well get fed out of it.
He says that thing doesn't taste very good. Get it out of here.
Look at that.
Down there in his throat. Stuck in his throat pad.
Grandma's hands.
No, he'll be good. Did he hemo torpedo? You needed a worm. Hooking yourself?
Nope.
Is that a brook?
That's a rainbow. I'm the only one allowed to catch brooks.
There you go. Something's got my line.
Oh.
The one Mom just had on just came over my line. I like right down there. Wow, my bobber's moving pretty good for no current.
I think that stinking fish is 8 miles away.
Just chuck him?
I just put him in the.
Fish just jumped in the middle.
Oh.
Why would I throw him?
Yeah, I was very
He must have been hungry.
I need a better worm.
No, you
That
don't.
one's
Let's not. Okay. I think he ate my worm though, because he was probably over here gnawing on it for a minute before I could realize it. Oh no, it's still there. Not a very good one, but I think I can get her to do.
At least one more out of it.
Yeah.
I went 5 on one worm, and now I've done 1 on this one, and that last one really chomped it.
And it seems like the ones with the bigger mouths, the big jaw lines, mess them up. Oh. Sorry, honey, you're gonna have to cast a little more right.
more this way. I'm going for the middle. Switch spots.
Just above me now.
Here, get over.
You're good? Oh, I'm moving a little faster than you. Oh, yeah, I'm underneath you. Human torpedo.
Want to switch again?
Yeah. Yeah, try and go back in that corner again. See if we can land it in his mouth.
I can't tell if anything's on there. It's so light.
You gotta set the hook, honey. He might just have it resting on his tongue.
Well, I set the hook and y'all were yelling at me that I was setting it too
Oh,
hard.
you went. Whoosh.
This is a quiet zone. Thank you.
So why are you talking?
Bobbers. Needs to be adjusted. I think.
My bobber.
Listen to the sounds of nature.
Dang it.
Just leave it there then.
It doesn't include English.
You gotta slide that up a little bit so you can get down like 2 feet.
You have a weight in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, put a weight on this. Nope, it's Randy. Come here.
Seriously, fish. Loop right 8 feet from my bobber. That is a rainbow. There we go.
Crazy dolphin.
Let's let them swim back upside down.
Well, he was back quick.
Look at that color on him. His cheeks are nice and red.
Oh yeah, they are. Long one too.
You'll be a big guy someday.
Who could squad you from here to Mexico?
Got him. You might have to take him home, Dust.
It's a problem.
Look at that mouth. Raw. Thanks for stopping by. My mom's gonna be so mad if she found out I got a nose piercing. Meow. Oh, my bobber's getting a bruise.
What'd you do to my line?
Oh, you bugger. Those have to be small ones.